What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the launch date of the Realme GT Neo 3T is being announced, and not only that, we have its price and the specifications and the software upgrades which you can expect from this smartphone. So if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that I've done that, let's get started. So first of all, talking about the launch date, then the smartphone is set to be launched on 7th of June, which is almost, we are just a week and a half away from this smartphone event launch. And talking about the specifications, then this will be running on the yesteryear flagship processor, which is the Snapdragon 870. And not only that, the other specifications will be that it will be coming with a base RAM of 8GB and 128GB of storage. And it's a T variant, so it will be a slight upgrade over the Realme GT Neo 3. Now, other than that, we also get a in-display fingerprint scanner, and it will be sporting an AMOLED display with a high refresh rate of 120Hz. The HDR10 Plus content might be supported with this smartphone, and the punch-out selfie camera. The triple camera setup will be present in the smartphone, and it will be mainly a main camera, ultra-wide camera, and the third camera will be of a macro or a depth sensor. Well, talking about the software experience, then this phone will be running to Android 12 out of the box, and the 2 years of major Android OS upgrades will be coming in this smartphone, and 3 years of security patch. Now, talking about the Realme GT Neo 3 price, then the smartphone is yet to be expected to be launched around to be priced of under 30,000 rupees, which right now is the standard for the Snapdragon 870 smartphones. Now, what do you think about this smartphone as an overall package under 30,000 rupees with Snapdragon 870 and a flagship processor? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.